We've had our compound lawn mowed, yeah, and so my young lady, who is still on holiday because she did national exams that take her to secondary school, is busy cleaning up. Yes, she's busy helping out. The clouds are so gray and it's about to rain, so we are in a rush to have the compound, the grass collected because it's dry, so that we can have it burnt. Yeah, clouds are gray but still looking so beautiful. Yeah, that's what we see. Okay, good people, kindly comment, like and subscribe to Doki's Out. I'll be very happy to grow this family with you. Bye.